Hi, welcome to HeKate's Crossing. Okay, another look at the tarot guidance by TarotOracle. Totally recommend. Now, what I'm going to do today is I want to sort of look into, I'm just going to start with the foundation layer spread. Let's begin with the foundation layer. So I'm just going to do a 3-card spread. So we're looking at new versus used, which is right for me at this time. Problems to look for. Oh, that's to do with the house hunting. Oh, so yes, I don't really want to do that, do I? Let's have a look at let's do decision spread. I'm not really talking about house hunting, am I? So let's look at decisions. So we've got choice A and choice B. Okay, so let's have a look. Choice 1. Okay, is good result from this choice. Basically the best outcome you can expect from choosing path number 1. And then bad things that can result from choosing number 1. Okay, and then we've got choice 2. Good results and bad things. That's interesting. Okay, so factors helping you no matter what you choose. Basically, who or what is on your side. Then factors hurting you no matter what you choose. And then the ultimate outcome from your decision no matter what you choose. And of course I have to put that slightly on top. Okay, so we've got the Page of Wands underneath and the Star. Okay, remember I'm just doing this as a study, so I'm not really thinking about my own intuition, maybe a little bit, because we looked at choices. From choice number 1, I feel like I'm just going to be worry and stress no matter what I do. Okay, so, and I'm going to feel very restrained and restricted. So there is going to be a lot of worry and stress. Choice number 2 is going to give me strength, maybe I'm going to feel like I need strength to move through it, but it is going to bring in a sense of transformation. So helping me no matter what I do is the Page of Pentacles, and that to me is about lessons, maybe learning something new. What's not on my side? Maybe it could be my drive or enthusiasm. And the outcome? Wishes come true, whatever it is. So I want to look at a little bit more. What does he say for the 9 of Swords? Just want to have a look at a little bit more information about the cards. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to have a look at the keywords. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of depth with the book. I mean, that's totally up to you, what you do with that. But I just want to go through and just look at his keywords at this. Okay, so 9 of Swords keywords are worry, concerns, and sleeplessness. So maybe there's going to be a lot of sleep, maybe I'm not going to sleep well with choice 1. Okay, and then 8 of Swords was restrictions and binded by reality. Okay, so then let's have a look at what strength and death is. So this feels like it's going to be very thought-provoking. It's going to be about ideas and plans. And here it's going to be a bit of a major impact. So here we've got strength and death. So let's have a look at okay, death is just got software version. For me it's about transformation. Okay, it just talks about the terrible representation. Oh, I see. I see why he calls it the software version number 2. Okay, I get that. It's about the transformation and changes coming through. Okay, so that's cool. But strength, let's have a look and see what he says for strength. Courage, enemy, action, and having a good connection. Courage. Maybe it's going to give me courage. Need courage to allow to move through transformations. So choice 2 definitely looks better in my boat. I feel like it's going to be very restrictive and very bound. There's going to be a lot of worry, a lot of stress. Okay, so let's have a look at the page of Pentacles, the rock, Earth of Earth. So this is about being stable. Could be about being inexperienced. And then what's the Page of Wands? He's the Wolverine, bravery and action. So maybe not enough experience to actually make it on my own. That'll be the bad thing. Maybe I'm going to need some support, need some help and everything like that. So let's have a look at the star. This is quite good just to go through and have a bit of a look. See, so you lay out the spread that you've done and then just go through and see what the reference is. And you can do this with any guidebook, but I find this sort of quite easy to, like, the keywords are quite good just to sort of thing. Guiding stars, soulmates, and destiny. So it really is about I'm going to achieve what I need to achieve and whatever I choose to do. So whether I'm going to go through the stress and the worry and feeling restricted and bound and all that sort of thing, or whether I'm going to use my courage to go through my transformations and changes with choice 2, there are going to be a sense of still keep getting the words lessons learned is going to be the good thing. Okay, now negatively it may be that I just don't have the experience. Maybe it's like something I can't really do alone. Maybe I need to do with other people, but ultimately in whatever way I choose, it does sort of feel like the outcome is that my wishes are going to come true and whatever's coming on. So that's interesting to look at. Just going through, doing the spread from the book, going through and having a look at the keywords. I can read a lot more and do a lot more study on it, which I could do, looking to see if any of the combinations come up, and you know, it's interesting. Interesting combination of cards. So that's it from me. Don't forget to check the links down below, check the links on my channel, like, subscribe and ring the bell so you know when the next video will be uploaded. Take care and blessed.